how to check if your iPhone has been hacked. So if you want to check if your iPhone has been hacked, then let's start with checking the battery. For this, first you need to open up your settings, then click on the battery option. The battery details will appear. If found that your battery is draining fast, then scroll down and look for the unused apps, which are taking more battery. If found that any app is taking, then go to the home page. Now search for the app which is taking the highest battery, and then tap and hold on to it. A few options will appear. You need to tap on delete app and you need to delete the application. After that, you need to check your messages. Go to the messages app on the other's device. After that, click on the contact name to open the chat. Now check for any suspicious messages which are not sent by you. If you found any of it, this means that your phone is hacked. Next, check the green and yellow dot. If you notice the indicator lights at the top of your screen, an orange light indicates the microphone is in use. As you can see, then in my case, the microphone is in use now. A green light signals the camera is active. If these lights are on without using any app on your phone, then it might be hacked. Next is unrecognized files. For this, you need to open up your Files application on your device. In the Recents tab, you need to scroll down and look for any unknown files. If you found it, long press on the file, a few options will appear, and then you can click on delete to remove. The next thing we need to do is force restart. Press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. Sometimes a simple restart will help to protect the data. Finally, you can sign out of your Apple ID. For this, you can go with your Settings app. Under Settings, you need to tap on your account. And from your account, you need to scroll down and you will have Sign Out. You need to tap on Sign Out. It will prompt you to enter the password. You need to enter it and tap on the Sign Out to confirm. Now wait for a few seconds and then sign in again. And all these steps will help you determine whether your phone has been hacked or not. Or if it has been hacked, then the hacker will lose the access. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.